I recently received my jewelry pliers set. So this actually has a total of 8 pliers. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it with you just to show you what to expect when you receive your kit. As you can see, it comes nicely wrapped. So it does have these holes right here so it could go ahead and hold your tools together. It has the name of the brand right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you each tool to expect in your kit. So this is the first one right here, and then you could go ahead and just place your tools like this as on the little stand. So take a look. Perfect. And I'm going to just show you all the tools. These are great to use when you are doing DIY projects. These are very helpful when using them for bracelets or anything like that. But as you could see, great tools. They work. They have a rubber grip. They are black and red. Go ahead and give you a close-up on those tools. Take a look at the texture. Very nice, and each one of them fits very good in the holes that were provided there. But these are what the tools look like. Very nice grip. I do like that. And they all come individually wrapped like this. Little scissors right there. So if you like doing if you like doing any arts and crafts or anything like that, and you could definitely use these, I would highly recommend these tools. I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like now, all of them in here. So let me go ahead and pull that up. Take a look. All your tools, everything that you need. And this is a nice wooden base that they all come in. Look, they're all nice and uniform, and of course you can line them up in a better way. I was just taking them out of the box, but I would definitely recommend this. Is a great product or a great gift for any arts and crafts lover in your life. So I would definitely recommend 10 out of 10.